Working on building our consistent catalog of areas of Athens and surrounding areas, neighborhoods, condo developments, and in this case, we're getting in downtown Athens and a chance to take a look at a Cotton Exchange condo. So if you have interest in Athens area real estate, would like to follow us for updates on the market, or really just want to learn more about what properties are available and what Athens real estate looks like, be sure to click subscribe. But right here, we are in a unit in the Cotton Exchange Lofts, which are in downtown Athens, located on Hull Street. These were originally, this building dates back to the early 1900s. They were built into apartments in the early 2000s and they were converted into condos. I was fortunate enough to be involved in the condo conversion in 2013. So several of the units, mostly for the most part, are going to be 2-bedroom units, but there are a couple 1-bedrooms. And most of the floor plans are basically going to be slightly vary because you're going to have 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. This unit is fantastic. I want to step back as in the entrance, you can see how this painted ceiling with these large high ceilings, beautifully done. This is the entrance door to the common area hallway. I just wanted to start in the foyer versus there, give you an idea of the unit. Now this unit is not for sale, but gives you an idea of what the units can look like in downtown Athens. Here's a washer and dryer closet. See the flooring. Bedroom 1 is located right here on Hull Street. Very bright, excellent lighting. And again, look here, you've got those high ceilings. I'll give you a look out the window. Someone's walking across the street, directly across from the Morton Theater. These units don't come on the market very often, so it's hard to give you a price, as this is currently January of 2023. But we do work with people often to find one of these units or other condos in downtown Athens. As you take a look here, you get a great look at this living area that is on the corner here above Trapeze Bar. And I'll get you a little look out of Washington Street, formerly known as Hot Corner. Come here, same windows overlooking Hull Street. And just a great view of this kitchen. This current unit is often rented out or sometimes can be used by the owners. But we see a mix of students and owners in this building now. It used to be primarily rented to students. Nowadays, it is a mix. This is our 2nd bedroom. Again, I want to point out very high ceilings. The finishes are going to vary unit to unit. This one's obviously done very nicely. It's one of the nicer units you'll probably find in the property. As you get a peek at me at the mirror, and then we'll get a last look here at this beautifully done bathroom in this 2-1 condo downtown Athens, Cotton Exchange Lofts. If you have interest in condos in the Athens area, especially in downtown, be sure to connect with us at Athens GA Homes. Click subscribe. Reach out to us at 5mrealty.com.